Hey guys, Lane here for Maker's Lane. So in a previous video I built this table. Now it's time to make some chairs for it. Let's get started. Well, the material list for this is going to be very similar to that of my patio table. All you're going to need for this is some metal tubing. I'm using 1-inch metal tubing, a piece of sheet metal, and then some cedar boards. And then of course we got the screws to secure the wood. So that's all we're gonna need for this project. So I'm just gonna jump right into it by cutting up the metal and getting it to shape and then welding up the frame. And then once the frame's all put together, then we put the wood on, paint it, and we're done. This should be a simple project. The only problem is I'm gonna have to make a bunch of them. Let's get started by cutting up some metal. So I have all the pieces cut for the frame. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the two side pieces of the chair. I'm just going to make those square so that they can have flat bottoms. So I cut 45s in all these, so I'll just put them in like a square, weld them all together. And then I have 3 cross members. 2 are going to go at the top and 1's going to go the middle of the bottom. And then I have the back cut up. And then once that's done, we'll cut the metal to secure the platforms to it. So let's go ahead and weld up these squares. Alright, so I got this one all done, grinded up, smoothed down. So now I need to take these pieces and make another one. So there we go. Oh, if only life were that easy. So now we need to stand these guys up. And on the bottom, I'm just going to put 1 cross member down here. And then the top will have 2 for the seats. Let's weld up the square and then we can worry about the back part. one chair done. I need 7 more to fill the spot, so you could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. You can leave now. Oh, sorry. Alright, so now that I have all of them built, making these chairs was actually a lot of work. Each one took me about a half a day to make, so there's a lot of work involved in these. I couldn't be more happy with them. I thought, since I made them out of metal, that they would be really heavy, but they're honestly pretty light, and they don't weigh a whole lot. Because they're made out of metal, they're going to be super durable. So I did add a clear coat to all of them so that they will be a little bit more weather resistant. Cedar in general is pretty weather resistant. So now I have my patio set done with the table and chairs. I got the fire table done, and then I also have the built-in seating. So now that I have this done, I think I'm ready to move on to the third tier. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to check out the rest of the series where I build the other stuff. I will be making more videos in this series, so look forward to those. Hit the subscribe button if you want to make sure you catch them. But yeah, until next time, I'm Lane from Maker's Lane. Hope you guys have a good one.